Foundland. It's about 78 kilometers from Kanglagat, Imphal. Sunday, 21st August 2022. Let's explore the unexplored. Unlimited views. Everything you can imagine is real. Peace. Total peace. This is the meeting place. This is our destination. Foundland, Pokpi. 6 a.m. meeting, 4 p.m. returning. Exploring Manipur invites you all. We will be riding deer. All bikers, all scooter riders, all can join. All are invited. Pack your lunch and breakfast. No donation and no collection. Foundland. Prepare yourself. Let's meet on 21st August 2022 Sunday 6 a.m. at Gambhir Singh Park Gate.